The Pathfinder Volume 53, Writing a Robust Stability Protocol for CMC Submission.
In this audiocast, discover the secrets to crafting a robust stability protocol for the CMC module of an NDA BLA submission in this thrilling article. Learn how to navigate regulatory guidelines, define objectives, select appropriate storage conditions, validate analytical methodologies, implement quality control procedures, evaluate container closure compatibility, conduct force degradation studies, develop comprehensive testing protocols, and generate impactful stability reports. By following these guidelines and consulting relevant regulatory guidance documents, you'll unleash the power of stability and ensure the success of your NDA BLA submission.
The Chemistry, Manufacturing, and Controls module of a new drug application or biologics license application submission requires a robust stability protocol. This crucial document provides essential information about the stability and shelf life of a drug substance or product, ensuring its quality, safety, and efficacy. As a crucial component of the NDA BLA submission, a well-designed stability protocol requires careful consideration of various factors to generate reliable data and meet regulatory requirements. In this article, we will explore the key elements and considerations for developing a comprehensive and effective stability protocol for the CMC module of an NDA BLA submission. We will address the questions and concerns frequently encountered during the review process, covering study design, data analysis, and regulatory compliance. To begin, understanding the regulatory guidelines the relevant health authority sets forth, such as the U.S. Food and Drug Administration or the European Medicines Agency, is paramount. These guidelines provide specific instructions on stability testing requirements, study design, and data analysis, ensuring that your stability protocol adheres to regulatory standards. A robust stability protocol starts with a clearly defined purpose and scope. This includes identifying the specific drug substance or product, dosage form, strength, and intended storage conditions. Defining the objectives of the stability study, such as determining shelf life, assessing environmental factors, and evaluating degradation pathways, is essential for driving the study design. Selecting appropriate storage conditions is critical for accurately simulating real-world scenarios. Factors such as temperature, humidity, and light exposure should be considered based on the drug substance or product characteristics, intended use, and regulatory requirements. Choosing the right storage conditions ensures the stability data reflects the drug's behavior under anticipated storage conditions. Developing and validating suitable analytical methodologies is another crucial aspect of a robust stability protocol. These methods should be specific, sensitive, and capable of detecting degradation products or impurities. Adequate method validation, including parameters such as specificity, accuracy, precision, and robustness, is necessary to ensure the reliability and validity of the stability data. Implementing rigorous quality control procedures is essential to ensure the accuracy and integrity of stability data. This involves using appropriate reference standards, calibrating equipment, and following good manufacturing practices. Adhering to quality control measures throughout the study instills confidence in the reliability of the stability data generated. The compatibility of the chosen container closure system with the drug substance or product is another critical consideration. Assessing factors such as container type, material, and compatibility is necessary to ensure that the container closure system protects the drug from degradation and maintains its integrity during storage. Force degradation studies provide valuable insights into potential degradation pathways and impurity formation. These studies help to identify stress conditions relevant to real-world scenarios and assess the drug substance or product's susceptibility to degradation. Including force degradation studies strengthens the stability protocol and enhances the understanding of the drug's stability profile. Data integrity and documentation play a pivotal role in developing a robust stability protocol. Maintaining accurate records of sample preparation, storage, testing, and analysis is crucial. Implementing appropriate data management and documentation practices ensures the stability of data's integrity, traceability, and reliability. Familiarize yourself with the regulatory guidelines and requirements the relevant health authority outlines, such as the U.S. Food and Drug Administration or the European Medicines Agency. These guidelines provide specific instructions on stability testing requirements, study design, and data analysis. Ensure that the stability protocol adheres to the regulatory guidelines the relevant health authority provides, such as the FDA or EMA. Failure to meet regulatory requirements can delay or reject the NDA, BLA submission. Does the stability protocol align with the regulatory guidelines provided by the health authority? Have all the requirements and recommendations been addressed in the stability protocol? Clearly define the purpose and scope of your stability protocol. This includes identifying the specific drug substance or product, dosage form, strength, and intended storage conditions. Outline the objectives of the stability study, including determining shelf life, assessing the impact of environmental factors, and evaluating degradation pathways. Choose the appropriate storage conditions based on the drug substance or product characteristics, intended use, and regulatory requirements. Consider factors such as temperature, humidity, and light exposure. Common storage conditions include long-term, intermediate, accelerated, and stress testing. Select storage conditions that accurately represent the anticipated real-world conditions to which the drug substance or product will be exposed. Inadequate or unrealistic storage conditions may result in inaccurate stability data and potentially misleading conclusions. Are the chosen storage conditions representative of real-world scenarios? Have the relevant temperature, humidity, and light exposure factors been considered? Determine the appropriate sample size and time points for stability testing. The sample size should be statistically significant, ensuring reliable results. Select time points that cover the proposed shelf life of the drug substance or product, including early, intermediate, and late stages. Inadequate sample size or time points can lead to statistical limitations or an incomplete understanding of the drug substance or product stability profile. How was the sample size determined? Are the selected time points appropriate for assessing the stability of the drug substance or product throughout its proposed shelf life? Develop and validate suitable analytical methodologies to assess the stability of the drug substance or product. These methods should be specific, sensitive, robust, and capable of detecting degradation products. Include details on equipment, procedures, acceptance criteria, and data analysis techniques. Ensure that the analytical methods used for stability testing are validated according to regulatory guidelines. Validation should include specificity, sensitivity, accuracy, precision, and robustness. Inadequate method validation can undermine the reliability and validity of the stability data. Develop stability indicating methods capable of detecting and quantifying degradation products or impurities. These methods should clearly distinguish between the drug substance or product and potential degradation products, ensuring accurate and reliable stability data. Incorporate quality control procedures to ensure the reliability and accuracy of stability data. This includes using reference standards, periodic calibration of equipment, and adherence to good manufacturing practices. Document all procedures and make sure they are followed consistently throughout the study. Implement robust quality control procedures throughout the stability study to ensure the reliability and accuracy of the data. This includes using appropriate reference standards, calibrating equipment, and following GMP. Has the stability indicating method been adequately validated? Does it demonstrate the necessary specificity, sensitivity, accuracy, and precision? Are there appropriate controls and acceptance criteria in place? What quality control procedures were implemented to ensure the reliability and accuracy of stability data? How were reference standards used, and were they appropriately characterized? Evaluate the impact of the container closure system on the drug substance or product stability. Container type, material, and compatibility can influence stability outcomes. Conduct appropriate studies to assess the container closure system's ability to protect the drug substance or product from degradation and maintain its integrity. Consider the compatibility of the drug substance or product with the chosen container closure system. Inappropriate container closure system selection may lead to interactions that impact stability or compromise the integrity of the drug substance or product. Was the compatibility of the container closure system with the drug substance or product assessed? Were any interactions or potential sources of degradation identified? Conduct force degradation studies to assess the drug substance or product susceptibility to various stress conditions such as heat, humidity, light, and pH. These studies provide valuable insights into potential degradation pathways and impurity formation, aiding in developing appropriate stability indicating methods. Perform comprehensive force degradation studies to evaluate the drug substance or product stability under stress conditions. Failure to include appropriate stress conditions may result in an inadequate understanding of potential degradation pathways and impurity formation. Were force degradation studies performed, and if so, what stress conditions were used? How do these stress conditions relate to potential real-world scenarios? What degradation pathways and impurities were identified? Develop detailed protocols for stability testing, including sample preparation, storage, and testing procedures. Document the instructions for sample collection, handling, and analysis. Include information on acceptance criteria, data trending, and statistical analysis. How was data integrity ensured throughout the study? Are there adequate sample preparation, storage, testing, and analysis records? Were appropriate data management and documentation practices followed? Summarize the stability study findings in comprehensive reports. Include data tables, graphs, and statistical analysis results. Discuss the observed trends, degradation pathways, and any out-of-specification results. Provide a clear conclusion regarding the drug substance or product stability profile and proposed shelf life. Ensure data integrity by following good documentation practices throughout the stability study. Maintain accurate records of sample preparation, storage, testing, and analysis. Implement appropriate data management and storage systems to protect the integrity and traceability of the stability data. Present the stability data and findings in a clear and concise manner in the stability reports. Include comprehensive data analysis, trending, and statistical evaluation. Draw well-supported conclusions regarding the drug substance or product stability profile and proposed shelf life. Are the stability study findings presented clearly and comprehensively in the stability reports? Do the reports include relevant data tables, graphs, and statistical analysis? Do the conclusions align with the data presented? There are several regulatory guidance documents that provide recommendations for developing a stability protocol for drug substance and product. It is important to consult the specific guidelines provided by the regulatory authorities in your region, such as the U.S. Food and Drug Administration or the European Medicines Agency. However, here are a few key guidance documents that you may find useful. FDA Guidance for Industry, Q1A Stability Testing of New Drug Substances and Products. Provides guidance on stability testing of new drug substances and products. Covers general principles, storage conditions, testing frequency, and data evaluation. Discusses stability testing for new drug substances, drug products, and combination products. Guideline, Q1B Stability Testing, Photostability Testing of New Drug Substances and Products. Focuses on photostability testing of new drug substances and products. Outlines requirements for conducting photostability studies and evaluating the impact of light exposure on drug stability. Guideline, Q1C Stability Testing for New Dosage Forms. Provides recommendations for stability testing of new dosage forms. Covers stability testing of drug substances and drug products in various dosage forms, such as tablets, capsules, solutions, and suspensions. Guideline, Q1D Bracketing and Matrixing Designs for Stability Testing. Offers guidance on bracketing and matrixing designs for stability testing. Discusses strategies for reducing the number of samples and testing time points while maintaining sufficient data integrity. Guideline, Q1E Evaluation of Stability Data. Provides guidance on the evaluation of stability data obtained from stability studies. Discusses statistical analysis, data trending, and interpretation of stability data to establish product shelf life and storage conditions. It is important to note that these guidelines may be subject to updates and revisions. Therefore, it is recommended to refer to the official websites of regulatory authorities for the most up-to-date guidance documents relevant to your specific region and product. Developing a robust stability protocol for the chemistry, manufacturing, and controls module of an NDA BLA submission is crucial for ensuring the quality, safety, and efficacy of a drug substance or product. This article discussed the key elements and considerations for creating an effective stability protocol. First and foremost, understanding the regulatory guidelines provided by health authorities is essential to meet the requirements. Defining the stability study's purpose, scope, and objectives is crucial for study design. Selecting appropriate storage conditions that mimic real-world scenarios is necessary to generate accurate stability data. Validating analytical methodologies and implementing quality control procedures ensures reliable and precise stability data. Evaluating the compatibility of the container closure system with the drug substance or product protects against degradation and maintains integrity. Forced degradation studies help identify potential degradation pathways and impurity formation. Maintaining data integrity and documentation throughout the study is critical. A comprehensive stability protocol can be developed by addressing these considerations, leading to reliable stability data that meets regulatory standards and enhances the NDA BLA submission process.
Thank you for listening to this audiocast. Are you an emerging biotech or established pharmaceutical company struggling to keep up with the ever-changing landscape of drug regulations? Look no further than Incrisi. We are the leading consulting group helping organizations comply with drug regulations through a comprehensive drug development model incorporating augmented intelligence and data analytics. Our industry experts can guide you through the complex world of compliance, making it more manageable than ever. With our Reimagining Regulatory Pathways services, we can help you design and implement best practices to streamline your operation and ensure you stay in line with current legislation. Our range of services covers regulatory drug development's technical and strategic aspects. Let us help you develop an overall strategy that accounts for all potential risks while still being able to meet your objectives. Visit our website at www.enkrisi.com to learn more and get started on the path to regulatory compliance success.